Hello. November has certainly been trying its best to make up for the big rainfall deficit we saw during the last year or so. And we've had another very wet day on Monday with outbreaks of rain moving northeastwards across the country. That rain's still affecting Northern Ireland into southern Scotland, northern England, North Wales as we end the day, although it tends to stall, and so it's really only the far south and southwest of Scotland where it comes to a rest. Northern Ireland seeing further persistent rain into the evening. Yellow warning here because of the wet weather we've seen so much of recently. Could see some issues during the rest of the day. But after midnight, it eases. Clear skies return. Showery rain continues though for southeast Scotland into northern England, North Wales and the Midlands. And some blustery showers for the southwest of England along the English Channel coast with a gusty wind. Likewise for the north and northeast of Scotland, showers and a gusty wind. But away from those areas, we'll see clear spells, and with those clear spells for western Scotland, Northern Ireland, into some central parts of the UK, a touch of frost and fog patches first thing. A bit of a dreary start across this central swathe with low cloud, fog and some damp weather. But for many, it brightens up into the afternoon. The showers towards the southwest continue, but not as heavy or as frequent as the morning. And there'll be further showers along with spells of rain, northwest Scotland, the Northern Isles into eastern Scotland, 1 or 2 for eastern England. Away from these areas, plenty of sunshine breaking through, so a brighter day for many compared with Monday. Temperatures reaching 7 to 10 Celsius. It's going to be windy though in the far north, and for Shetland in particular, gales or severe gales returning later Tuesday. We saw an awful lot of that last week. Could again see some disruptions to ferries over the next couple of days. Showers also here and some sleetiness with those showers because it's going to be cold. Scotland, northern and eastern England starting off Wednesday with a frost, but further west after a chilly first half of the night, wet and windy weather sweeps in by dawn, and that wind and rain then continues to march northeastwards during Wednesday itself. Now, the rain won't last as long as Monday's rain. It does move through fairly quickly, and by the afternoon on Wednesday, it's pushing through Scotland. It's clearing eastern England. Brighter skies follow for England, Wales, Northern Ireland, but further blustery showers, especially for western areas and coastal gales. So it's yet another day with wind and rain clearing to blustery showers. And it's going to feel a little bit warmer, I think, for southwestern areas in particular, although it will be windy. Temperatures reaching 12 or 13 Celsius in places because the wind now coming from the southwest. And that wind will, by the weekend, bring much milder air, but also yet more rain. We'll have more on that in the Met Office forecast for the week ahead. That can be found on our YouTube channel.